Hi guys, welcome back to USD CHF daily analysis by IFX Academy, guys. So guys, from now on, what I'm going to do, the four pairs that I mostly trade, the dollar, the euro, the pound, and the yen. For them, I'm going to make separate analysis. But other than that, for the Swiss, for Aussie, for the CAD, for the NZD, and for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and oil as well, guys. What I'm going to do is I will be making a one video. So that would save me a lot of time because I know, guys, you want to see it separate, easy for you, but it's very hard for me to make. So anyways, guys, let's start. Last week we were unable to do a weekly analysis, so we will do it this week, guys. So what are we expecting next week to happen on the CHF, guys? And let me give you a short recap of the gold, guys, because on gold we were buying. On the euro, guys, we've broken out of a very tough range on the weekly chart, and we are testing top of the ranges in pound dollar as well, in dollar yen as well. We've broken out to the bearish side after a lot of bullish moves, guys. So in the CHF, we are seeing the same pattern, guys. We had a big bearish consolidation right here, guys, a range, and we broke out of that range. So what I expect is the price to the support area to act as resistance. And as long as, guys, the resistance area, the support area acts as resistance, guys, we are bearish, and eventually we will be seeing 0.76092. Okay, guys, and if the price breaks above 0.78641, guys, I would still be bearish as long as the price stays below 0.79720. Okay, guys, what I would do is expect some kind of correction, then a move back down again. You know what, let's move this resistance a bit lower. Yeah, to this area, and there's that. As long as the price is below 0.78307, guys, we are bearish. Even if you break above this, as long as the price stays below 0.79720, guys, we are still bearish. And guys, if the price breaks above this, we start buying. And guys, my target would be 0.81725. So guys, this is all for the CHF, and now we move on to the Aussie. Guys, this we didn't have an analysis, weekly analysis last week like all the other pairs, guys. We are bullish. So guys, for the Aussie, I'll keep it simple as well as next week. As long as the price stays above, we've had a bullish move on the Aussie. Yeah, as you can see, we broke a major resistance area here, and if we are able to turn that area into support, we will be getting a big move up. So guys, as long as the price stays above 0.699099, we will be seeing, guys, 0.70922. And guys, if the price breaks below 0.69969009, what happens? We don't become bearish, we just go in deeper for a correction, guys. And my target, guys, would be 0.67680. Okay, guys, and after that I would expect a move back up again to the upside. Anyways, I totally become bearish, guys, if the price breaks below 0.66633. And guys, once the price does do so, we will have a very big bearish move, which would lead us to 0.64110. I know, guys, these are quite big zones and quite big faraway prices, but guys, the market has been volatile, so there's nothing I can do about it. It's not my market, it doesn't listen to me, it doesn't care what I expect or want, it just moves as it wants. So, and I treat it as I see it. So there's that. And guys, my second target for the Aussie would be 0.71706. I would have to good and also look for a good title and description so that I can target all the pairs on their SEO search. Okay, guys, this is the Aussie, I guess. We are finished here. The price, as long as the price stays above 0.69009, we are bullish. Even if we do break below, guys, we are still bullish. we only truly become bearish once the price breaks below 0.66633. So there's that, guys. And guys, here we come to USD CAD, guys. Last week we did not have an analysis, so there's that, guys. Same, and you'll probably see we're following the same pattern, guys. Kind of different on the CAD because it has been quite confusing, guys. So that what I'm going to do, guys, is mark 1.37409, guys. This area should also act as a resistance, but you never know, guys. So, guys, as long as we stay below 1.37409, guys, we are bearish. And guys, my expectations are the price will be testing 1.34858. Okay, guys, and if the price breaks above, we will still come back down again, and we could also get rejected from 1.36464, and we could be seeing 1.34858. Okay, guys, and if you break above this, guys, I would have only one bullish target, and guys, that target would be 1.39323. So Mark Carney, guys, has been changing a lot of geopolitics, changing their trade partners, so that is leading to a lot of consolidation in the CAD as compared to other pairs. So much indecision, as you guys can obviously see on the weekly chart, guys. Move up, move down, move up, move down. They don't understand what they're supposed to be doing because the markets themselves are confused. The politicians themselves are confused. Everyone is trying to understand what to make of the current situation. So, guys, now we move on to the NZD USD, guys. Last week we did not have an analysis on this because I was traveling. I am still traveling. So, guys, this week, as long as the price stays above 0.60050, guys, we are bullish. And in my opinion, guys, we will be seeing 0.60948. Okay, guys. We could be have another target as well. Actually, I just moved the profit a bit higher and make it one target to 0.61174, guys. And guys, keep in mind, even if we do break below this, we are kind of still, yeah, we are still bullish, but just for a deeper correction there, that is, and we will be seeing 0.58532. Okay, guys, with an eventual move back up once again. And I would totally become bearish, guys, if we break below 0.58646, and that, guys, would lead me to two targets, and that would be 0.57083, and guys, my next target would be, guys, 0.55770. So there is that. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. So sorry, I'm not finished. I'm changing that pattern. So, guys, now we are on the Ethereum weekly analysis, guys. Last week we didn't do an analysis. So, guys, what are we on the Ethereum, guys? On the weekly chart, guys, we have had, we were bullish, guys, but we broke this support area and turned that into resistance. So, guys, once we did that, we became bearish, and as you guys can see, we had that big move down. So for next week, guys, what are we going to do? As you guys can see, this resistance is far away, so I'm going to mark 3030 as a resistance area, guys. And jump back to the weekly chart, guys. We are at a weekly support area, so keep that in mind. So I'm going down to the 4H. On the 4H, guys, it does look kind of bullish, I know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it all of my charts and go back to the 4H. So guys, this week, as long as the price is able to stay above 2, 3, 4, 4, guys, I expect some kind of correction for the next week, and guys, my target would be 2662. Oh, actually, guys, let's drop that. My target I would only start buying this, guys, once the price breaks above 2475. Okay, you need to understand on the 4H, we've had this big move down. On the 1H, you understand better. This is a resistance area, I know the price is consolidating. We are losing bearish momentum, no doubt about that, especially on the one edge. As you guys can see, this resistance area has become into a support area, which indicates bullish momentum, guys. But this is a weekly analysis, and we will only use higher time frames. And on the Forex, guys, we truly and only become bullish once and only if we break above 2412. And guys, my target would be 2683. Okay, guys, but as long as the price is below 2475, guys, in my opinion, we will be seeing 2245 soon. As you know, guys, sometimes the prices they don't go anywhere. Sometimes they are very volatile, guys. So this is one of the volatile periods. So, guys, the now momentum indicates as long as the price is able to stay below 2475, guys, we are bearish and we will be seeing 2245. You will start buying this, guys, if the price breaks above uh, 2475, and we're targeting 2683 in an overall bearish trend, and that will indicate after testing this area, in my opinion, we will come back down testing to 2245, and we truly become bullish, and only truly become bullish, guys, if we break above 2683. And once we do, guys, we will be seeing 3002 or 3029. So there's that, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. I'm still doing my analysis. Sorry, force of habit. So unable to do a weekly analysis on the BTC as well, guys. It's the same scenario as the Ethereum. We've had losing momentum. And we start buying once we break above 79349, guys. As long as we are below this, we will be seeing 75605, guys. And guys, my target would be, if we break above this, guys, my target would be 81 and 918. Okay, guys, but I would still remain bearish. Okay, guys. And guys, if I wanted to, if I was like, yeah, I wanna buy and I wanted to invest. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I confused the 4H with the daily chart, guys. So my target would be 84420. Okay, guys. And I would, if I wanted to invest in Bitcoin, and I was saying I want to start buying the dips, it's gonna come back up again. I would only do so once the price breaks above 84420, because you have to follow now momentum. You never know when or where the price is going to go. And guys, if the price does do so, if the price does break above 84420, guys, in my opinion, eventually sooner or later, guys, we will end up seeing uh, and 95007. Okay, guys, so there's that. So wishing you guys the best of luck, and we move on to US oil. As we did not do an analysis last week, this is the analysis from the week before that, guys. The oil has given us a big move, guys. Is that, guys, for today, guys, we keep in mind as long as the price stays above 63.21, guys, next week we are bullish, guys, and we will be seeing 66.39. After that, guys, we will be gunning for 70.36, guys. Guys, I would really start selling this only, and if the price breaks below 63.21, guys, my target would be 60.11. And guys, even then, guys, I would remain bullish. But if we break below 60.11, guys, then we become truly bearish, guys, and then we will be testing the 55 area once again. But that is an if scenario, and that is not my scenario. I am bullish, guys. I would keep on buying this as long as the price stays above 63.21. So there's that. I guess all my analyses are done, analyses, or whatever you like to call it. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make shit ton of money and see you guys next week. Peace.